Vegetables that could increase your cancer risk. Did you know that cancer claims 1 in 6 lives globally? What's even more alarming is that it can develop silently over the years, making early prevention absolutely crucial. And guess what? What we eat plays a massive role in this. Our diet can either protect us or increase our cancer risk. Today, we're diving into 5 vegetables that might be hiding some surprising dangers. But don't worry, we'll also share tips on how to enjoy these foods safely. Ready to make informed, health-conscious choices? Let's get started. First up, potatoes. A staple in many diets, but did you know they can harbor a toxin called solanine? This naturally occurring compound forms when potatoes are exposed to light or start sprouting. Consuming high levels of solanine can lead to gastrointestinal problems like nausea and diarrhea, and in severe cases, it can even cause neurological issues like dizziness and confusion. Here's why it matters. Solanine can interfere with normal cellular processes and cause inflammation, creating a perfect environment for cancer cells to thrive. Studies suggest prolonged exposure to solanine may increase the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place. Avoid green or sprouted potatoes. Pair them with antioxidant-rich foods like spinach or carrots. Consider alternatives like sweet potatoes. Next up on our list of risky vegetables is one you might not expect: the tomato. Tomatoes are rich in nutrients but contain histamines, which can trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals. Chronic inflammation is a well-known risk factor for cancer. Limit to 1 to 2 medium tomatoes per day. Cook tomatoes to reduce histamine levels. Pair with anti-inflammatory foods like garlic or turmeric. Use tomato paste or sauces as lower histamine alternatives. The third vegetable on our list is spinach, which is often hailed as a superfood. However, it contains oxalates, compounds that can contribute to kidney stones and interfere with calcium absorption when consumed in large amounts. Oxalates can also promote oxidative stress, damaging cells and increasing inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer. High oxalate intake has been linked to kidney and bladder cancers. Limit intake to 1 to 2 cups per day. Cook spinach to reduce oxalates. Pair with calcium-rich foods like cheese or yogurt. Swap spinach with kale or Swiss chard occasionally. The fourth vegetable on our list. Mushrooms, especially white button varieties, contain agaritine, a compound classified as potentially carcinogenic. Agaritine can interfere with DNA repair mechanisms, increasing cancer risk. Limit to 1 cup per serving. Always cook mushrooms to reduce agaritine levels. Try alternatives like shiitake or portobello mushrooms. The last vegetable on our list is radishes, which are packed with nitrates. These nitrates can convert into nitrosamines, a known carcinogen in the body, increasing the risk of colorectal cancer. Limit intake to a few servings per week. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits to inhibit nitrosamine formation. Swap with cucumbers or bell peppers for variety. So there you have it. These 5 vegetables may be nutritious, but it's all about moderation and preparation. Remember, a balanced diet filled with a variety of fruits and vegetables is the key to better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue this journey to better health together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.